Let me expose you real quick. You're not broke because life is hard. You're broke because every time you make more money, you immediately volunteer to spend it on nonsense. That raise you celebrated, gone. That bonus that you got, already shopping carted. And you see that small side hustle cash, of course, it's vanished. So, welcome to your new prison, lifestyle creep. I know this because I've lived it. The first time I got a raise, I didn't save, I didn't invest, but I did what most people do. I upgraded my hair, my nails, and of course my wine. I was basically broke, but with shinier outfits. At that moment, I felt powerful until rent reminded me that I was just poor with receipts. I am Miss Muithathi, YouTuber, entrepreneur, businesswoman, and the woman who's been rich, broke, and sometimes both in the same week. I try to teach people how to rebuild their money and their lives because the truth is, money is personal and money is painful. If you love this content, support this channel via Buy Me Coffee link below. And while you're at it, grab my Chaos Proof Monthly System link in the description. Because if you don't lock your money into a system, lifestyle creep will swallow you whole like Jonah. Stay with me. You see, I know lifestyle creep personally. Okay? So I know what I'm talking about. Lifestyle creep is the illusion that you have thinking that you're leveling up, while actually you're just rebranding your poverty. And here is the killer part. Lifestyle creep doesn't just steal your money. It also steals your future. It's a trap. You ask how? And this is because every raise equals new expenses. And that's why, according to Meta data, there's a spike. People all over the world are asking this question. Why can't I save money even with a raise? I need you to understand this. Your boss didn't give you a raise to make you rich. They gave you a raise to keep you from quitting. And you went and turned it into a new subscription or a new wardrobe, a new car, you name it. So you basically financed your own cage. That is lifestyle creeping up on you. But the most dangerous thing lifestyle creep can take away from you is something money can't buy. So let's talk about the invisible cost. Lifestyle creep eats your time and freedom. This is because new expenses equals to more hours trapped at work. So you're out here thinking you upgraded, but actually all you did is sign a contract that says you'll never leave. Your apartment got bigger, your meals became more fancier, and most especially your debt became more heavier. And all of a sudden you're stuck. Not rich, not free, just aesthetically broke. I remember when I upgraded apartments before upgrading my income. I don't want to tell you what I went through. It was hell. The first month, of course, was champagne, housewarming parties. But my dear, the third month was noodles and panic for dinner. I had gold curtains and no money for cooking oil. Lifestyle creep humbled me. And if you're not careful, it will humble you with elegance. Okay? And the worst part, it doesn't stop. It grows. It's like financial cancer. And you all know how cancer spreads. You see, lifestyle creep is addictive. Once you go up, you refuse to go down. So you find any means necessary to stay up. For example, business class flights. You can't return to economy. You started eating steak. How do you go back to ugali and skuma? Here's the truth. You are not living better. You're just paying more rent for your ego. Remember, every shilling or dollar spent inflating lifestyle is money stolen from your future investments. So, got it? In this instance, the person you actually even betraying is not you. It's your future self. The one who could have been free, but instead is buried in airports and takeout containers. This trap of lifestyle creep before it completely owns you. Here's how. 1. Systemize your money fast. Every raise, every extra cash, it goes into a system before it goes to any lifestyle upgrade. 2. Upgrade last, not fast. Only increase lifestyle after investments grow themselves. Okay? 3. Tie raises to freedom and not expenses. For example, 50% of every raise goes into investments before thinking of even touching lifestyle. And lastly, number 4, SCAR tactic. If you ever upgrade, downgrade in something else. For example, new car, then downgrade nights out. You have to balance. Okay? You balance or you bleed. Choice is yours. Listen, lifestyle creep is not about comfort. It's about control. The more you upgrade your lifestyle, the more you downgrade your freedom. You think you're living better, but you're just making your prison more prettier. So if you don't want lifestyle creep to eat your future alive, you need a system. And that's why I built the chaos-proof monthly system, because without it, I knew I would stay on the hamster wheel, and I didn't want that. So go grab yourself a copy. And without it, you'll keep staying on that hamster wheel, earning more, spending more, and dying broke with extremely nice shoes. Find the link for the chaos-proof monthly system in the description below. The creep doesn't stop on its own. Either you stop it or it stops you. Choice is yours. We don't force things here. I am Miss Muithathi, your personal finance and investment coach, and I'll see you in my next video.